Hello students, in this video I am going to discuss the original IBPS PO 2015 previous exam question. That too particularly I am going to discuss the simplification sum. And also I would like to tell you I'll be uploading daily the question which came from the previous IBPS PO 2015 questions. I will be discussing in a easy way that questions I will be uploading daily. So you can keep watching the video and you can get ready for your IBPS PO exam. Now I will be solving this question. Now I'll tell you how you can solve it in a very easy way. First I'll tell you some basics, then I will tell you how to solve the question in few seconds. Now I take up this question. Here the number is 5003 and 14.96. This is the original question they asked in the this question is asked in IBPS PO 2015 under the category of approximate calculation. So it is very clear approximate calculation. So now I'll take this value is 5003 and this value is 14.96. 14.96 is very close to 15. So this number I will consider as 15. So this number I will consider as 15. Instead of considering 14, I will consider as 15. 14.96 I will consider as 15. And this number 25.12, this is again I will consider as 25 because this question is an approximate calculation, so I can consider like that. And now coming to here, 5003 is given. Now I will consider this 5003 as 5000. Now what I do is I will be writing here it is given as 5000 and then multiplication with 15 and then division symbol with 25, which is equal to 12 square into 5 square. Now let me take the left hand side. As you know the Bodmas rule, as per the Bodmas rule we need to do the calculation from left side to right side. And again we need to give importance to the first we will give importance to multiplication and division equally, and then addition and subtraction equally. First preference will be given to multiplication division, and then finally last preference will be given to addition and subtraction. You need to also understand this multiplication and division should be given, can also be given equal importance. Now I'll take the number. See, it is given very clearly 5000 into 15 means I will write like this for your understanding. 5000 into 15, this can be written like divided by 25. So I can write like this. Now this is equal to, it is given here 12 square into 5 square. 12 square into 5 square. See, first let me finish the left hand side. This 25 I can cancel with the 50, so I will get 2 times. So now I am left with 200 into 15. 200 into 15 is nothing but 3000, you know very well, because 2 into 15 is 30 and then 2 zeros. So the left hand side is nothing but how much you are getting? 3000, correct? Okay, so 200 into 15 is nothing but, that is 2 into 15 is 30 and then 2 zeros I am writing here. Now coming to this part, don't waste your time by doing the calculation as 144 into 25. Don't waste your time like this. Instead what I suggest you is just try to split the number like this. For example, this 12 square into 5 square. I'll take this number like this. See, 12 square I can write it as 6 square into 2 square. This again this 5 square as it is. You know very well 2 into 5 is nothing but 10. So 2 square into 5 square is nothing but 10 square. That's it. So that is here 12 square into 5 square. This 12 square I am splitting as 6 square into 2 square. Some of you may not understand why I am splitting like this. Very simple. I am writing here. See, for your understanding I am writing here 12 square I am writing as 12 into 12. Now this 12 further I can write it as 6 into 2. Again this 12 I can write it as 6 into 2. Now here this is 6 into 6 2 times available, so 6 square, and this 2 into 2 2 times available, it is nothing but 2 square. So that I directly write it as 6 square and 2 square. Now this is a basic understanding. If you know this logic, you can solve the question directly and very easily. Now we have 2 into 5 two times and 5 two times. So 2, that is 2 square is nothing but 4 and 5 square is nothing but 25. So what you get when you multiply this portion, you will get 100. So I am making my calculation very easy. And then this is nothing but what is here 6 square. 6 square is nothing but how much you get? 36. Now this 36 into 100, what do you get? 3600, correct? So what do you get? You will get 3600. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute here. So 12 square into 5 square is nothing but how much you get? 3600, correct? Now in the left side I have 3000, in the right side I have 3600, and also I am left with plus this question mark I can consider as x. So here also I can consider as x. So here also I can consider as x. So 3000 plus x is equal to 3600. So that means x is equal to, what do you get? 600. That means what is the final answer? You can go for this option. So this is really very, very easy one. See, if you really understand this logic, it is not required you need to write all these steps, and you can solve the sum in just in a few seconds. For example, this portion you can also do in the mind itself. 12 square into 5 square. 12 square I can consider as 6 square into 2 square, and then this is 5 square. The combination of 2 square into 5 square, what do you get? 10 square. 10 square is nothing but 100, and the remaining 6 square. 6 square is nothing but 36. So 36 into, that is 36 into 100. What do you get? 3600. So that is what is the right side. So you can also do try to do this mentally, so that you will get the answer very fast. And here again, when you convert this 5000 into 15, again divided by 25. So this portion also you can try it mentally. So when you try it mentally, maybe in the beginning you may find difficult, but once you start trying mentally, you will get the answer very, very easily. I hope you understood this basic calculation, and I will move on to the next question. See, this is a original question which came in the IBPS PO. Here the time saving thing is, if you know the logic 6 square into 2 square into 5 square, if you know the how you can convert this portion will save you lot of time. Is it clear? Okay, now we got the answer as 600. Now I'll move on to the next question. See, this is a question. Again, it came in the year 2015 IBPS PO in prelims. This is again a previous exam question, and the previous question also actually came in the IBPS PO prelims 2015. Now we try to solve this in an easy way. Now I'll take up this number. See, it is given 11.95 square. What I do is, I wanted to convert, this is very clearly in the exam it is given, it is an approximate calculation. So they given under the approximate calculation. Now we'll take up this 11.95 as nothing but very close to 12 square. So I will take it 12 square into this 5.05 I can consider as 5, plus then 15.01 square is nothing but I can consider as simply 15 square, and then into 2.99 I can consider simply as 3, because I can round off, because this question is a approximate calculation and this is the original question from the IBPS PO prelims 2015. Now once I make it in my convenient way, now I can do the calculation in a very, very easy way. Now let's take up this number, this 12 square into 5. Clear? This 12 square is nothing, 12 square you know very well, it is nothing but 144. This I want to multiply with the 5. See, any number if you want to multiply with 5, instead of multiplying directly with 5, what you can do is you can multiply with 10 by 2. This gives you more convenient in calculation. Is it clear? So what I do is 144 I want to multiply with 10 by 2. When I do so, this 2 and 144 will get cancelled. So what will I get? I will get 72. 72 into 10, what do you get? 720. So this portion I will get very easily, very conveniently, I will get 720. And this portion, now this portion 15 square you know very well, it is nothing but 225. into how many times? 3 times. And one more thing I would like to tell you here, any single digit into 3 digit you can conveniently calculate in the mind itself. I'll tell you how you can do that. See, I'm taking here 225 into, I want to multiply with 3. What you can do is you will consider this is as 200 plus 20 plus 5, or I can say like this, 200 plus 25. This I need to multiply with 3. So 200 into 3, what do you get? 600. 25 into 3, what do you get? 75. So ultimately I will get 200 into 3, 600. 25 into 3, 75. So 675. So I can write here as 675 is the calculation for this portion. Correct? I can do it mentally. It is not required. I need to write everything here. Then finally, see, I know very well it is year 700, year 600. When you add the numbers also, please try to add like this. Take up the same place values. For example, here 700, here 600. This is 20, this is 70. Here 0, here 5. Now I combine the same place values. For example, hundreds, 700 plus 600. What do you get? You will get 1300. 20 plus 70, what do you get? 90. So already 1300 plus 90, what do you get? 1390 plus 0 plus 5, what do you get? 5. So finally my answer will be 1395. What is the option here? The option will be fifth option. See, whatever I explained, you can try to do it mentally. I told you very clearly, any digit you can try in mental. You can try it in your mental calculation. For example, see, I would like to tell you one more thing here. I know you understood. Still, I would like to clarify one more thing. Suppose I want to multiply 72 into 4. What I can do? I can do it mentally very fast. This number I can split it as 70 plus 2. So then I can multiply the 72 into 4 very conveniently. 70 into 4, what do you get? 280. 2 into 4, what do you get? 8. So 280 plus 8, what do you get? 288. So this I can do it mentally. It is not required every time I need to use my paper and pen. So similarly, you can calculate this part. You will get 675. And here I told you a trick called, you can, instead of multiplying by 5, you can multiply by 10 by 2, and then you can make the calculation very, very convenient and easy. If you don't know this trick, then what will you do is you will consume more time to solve the sum. So I hope you really enjoy this class. I am trying to upload more videos which came from the previous IBPS PO 2015 from the original question papers. So what I suggest you is you can keep in touch with these videos, and you can get ready for your exam, and you can conveniently face the exam very confidently, because I'm going to solve more sums in simplification and also in all the other topics which are available, and whatever the question available in the previous IBPS PO original questions 2015. I will meet you in a next video. Till then, you take care of yourself. See you. Bye bye.